Have you ever wondered why so many women are naturally drawn to older men? I am not talking about sugar daddies, money, or stereotypes. I am talking about something much deeper, something rooted in psychology, biology, and the way we experience relationships. Today, I want to reveal 4 powerful things older men do that make women admire, respect, and love them. And by the time I am done, you TVTC that attraction has very little to do with age itself, everything to do with how you carry yourself as a man. So, let us get started. Emotional stability and confidence. The first reason women love older men is simple. They radiate emotional stability, you see. When a man is young, he is often like a storm, moody, insecure, overreacting to little things, easily jealous. He wants to prove himself, but he doesn't yet know who he truly is. An older man, however, has usually fought those battles already. He has survived breakups, career struggles, maybe even failures. He has learned that storms come and go. He doesn't need to panic every time life throws a challenge. This calmness shows up in relationships when she is upset. He doesn't argue back immediately. He listens. When she tests his patience, he doesn't crumble. She smiles. When life throws stress at them, he becomes the rock she can lean on. Psychologists call this emotional regulation. Tests one of the most attractive traits in a long-term partner. Why? Because women don't just want excitement, they want security. They want to know, if I give this man my heart, will he protect it or shatter it? And nothing screams security louder than a man who knows how to remain steady, calm, and grounded. That SY emotional stability is the first secret of attraction. Leadership and purpose. The second thing older men do is live with purpose. A young man often drifts. She is still figuring out his path, his career, his values. There is nothing wrong with that, but it often makes him unpredictable, sometimes even directionless. Older men, on the other hand, usually have a clearer mission in life. He knows what he stands for. He knows what kind of future he is building. And he doesn't waste energy chasing meaningless things. Women love this because leadership and purpose are magnetic. It signals strength. It signals direction. And it signals that being with him means joining a journey that is going somewhere. Think about it. When a man has no purpose, he becomes needy in relationships. He makes the woman his purpose. That creates pressure and often pushes her away. But a man who has a mission beyond the relationship, he is inspiring. He doesn't beg for love. He attracts it. That's why women often say, he makes me feel safe and excited at the same time, because his purpose gives her trust in the future. Maturity in communication. The third thing older men do is master communication. Now, I don't just mean being good with words. I mean knowing when to speak, when to listen, and how to resolve conflicts without drama. Younger men often turn small disagreements into battles. They argue to win, not to understand. But older men, those who have learned from experience, understand that in relationships, winning an argument means nothing if you lose respect and intimacy. So instead of shouting, they listen. Instead of accusing, they ask questions. Instead of escalating, they de-escalate. Its maturity creates harmony. It builds trust. It makes a woman feel like she can be vulnerable, express herself, and still be valued. Remember, women don't fall in love with men who always win arguments. They fall in love with men who make them feel understood. That is the magic of mature communication. Like older men excel at it. Protecting without controlling. Finally, the fourth thing older men do, their thing that truly makes women love them. This. They protect without controlling. You see, insecure men try to own women. They get jealous if she talks to someone else. They monitor her actions. They want to control her freedom. But older, wiser men know something powerful. You cannot control someone into loving you. Real love grows only where there is trust. So instead of controlling, they protect. They protect her peace of mind. They protect her dignity. They protect her by being loyal, reliable, and dependable. This balance, strength without suffocation, love without possession, is incredibly rare. And that is why women value it so deeply when they find it. Because at the end of the day, every woman wants to feel safe, but she also wants to feel free. Older men know how to provide both. So let us recap. Women love older men not simply because of age, but because of the qualities age often brings: emotional stability and confidence, leadership and purpose, mature communication, protection without control. These four things are what make older men irresistible. And here's the best part: you don't actually need to wait until you're older to develop them. Any man, at any age, can cultivate these traits if he chooses to grow. So my challenge to every man listening is this: don't wait for age to make you wise. Choose wisdom now. Choose confidence now. Choose leadership now. Because when you do, you discover something powerful. Women don't just love older men. They love men who embody strength, maturity, and love in its purest form. Thank you. Another shocking truth about how older women flirt is their preference for subtlety over bold displays. Unlike younger individuals who may rely on dramatic gestures, flashy outfits, or exaggerated behaviors, older women often communicate attraction through carefully measured signals. This approach may seem understated, but in many ways, it is far more powerful. A lingering glance, a gentle touch on the arm, or even the way she positions herself closer during a conversation can communicate interest more effectively than grand declarations. These cues are often so nuanced that they may go unnoticed unless one knows what to look for, which is exactly what makes them so intriguing. Psychologists note that non-verbal communication can make up over 70% of human interaction. Older women understand this instinctively. They know how to use eye contact to create a spark, how to lean in slightly to show attentiveness, and how to let silence linger just long enough to create tension. Instead of overwhelming the other person, they allow curiosity to build, making the interaction more exciting and memorable. What surprises many people is how deliberate these subtle actions can be. Life experience teaches older women that attraction is not always about loud expressions. It is about timing, tone, and presence. This refined style of flirting often catches people off guard precisely because it feels natural rather than forced. In this way, older women turn ordinary social interactions into moments charged with hidden meaning. Their ability to flirt through subtle signals is a reminder that sometimes the quietest gestures speak the loudest in matters of attraction.